Hi, back with Standard 10th. Algebra, Topic 1. Linear equations in two variables. What do you mean by variable? Let us understand the concept of variable. If I say 2x, so what is 2? 2 is called coefficient and x is called variable. If I say 3y, 3 is called coefficient, y is called variable. But if I combine these two, 2x plus 3y equals to 10. How many variables are there? Exactly, there are two variables, x and y. In simple words, variable means alphabets. Variable means alphabets and coefficients are just numbers along with their signs, that is plus or minus. I think the concept of two variables is clear. We'll go on page number 1. Page number 1 contains one small activity. We just have to identify whether these are equations in two variables or not. We'll go one by one. Question number 1. Look above. 4m plus 3n equals to 12. 4m plus 3n equals to 12. Now, rule number 1. How many variables are there? Yes, two variables are there, m and n. So, rule number 1 is clear. Now, rule number 2. Rule number 2 is there any index, that is square or cube? No, it's not there. So when these two rules are followed, then it is a linear equation in two variables. So above is a linear equation in two variables. Okay? What are two rules? I repeat again. Rule number 1. It should have two alphabets, that is two variables, x, y, m, n, like that. And rule number 2, index should not be square, cube, raised to 4, like that. Index should be 1. ऊपर स्क्वायर नहीं होना चाहिए, क्यूब नहीं होना चाहिए, सिर्फ x, y, इसके ऊपर कुछ नहीं, no index at all. Okay? So question number 1 is done. Now moving to question number 2. See, what is question number 2? 3x square minus 7y equals to 13. 3x square minus 7y equals to 13. Now rule number 1. X and y, yes, two variables are there. But what is the highest index? 2. X के ऊपर क्या है? 2, which is not allowed in linear equation. Right? So, above is not a linear equation because the index is 2. Yes, two sums are clear. Now moving to sum number 3. What is sum number 3? Root 2x minus root 5y equals to 16. Root 2x minus root 5y equals to 16. What is rule number 1? X, y, two variables are there. Yes, they are there. Highest index है 2, 3. No. It is 1 only. X square नहीं है, cube नहीं है, nothing. So yes, it is a linear equation in two variables. Correct. Sum number 3 is done. These are all 1 mark questions. Very easy. Yes or no. Only two rules are applied. Okay. Sum number 4. What is sum number 4? 0x plus 6y minus 3 equals to 0. 0x बोले तो first solve this little bit. 0x बोले तो it is 0. So 0 into x is 0 plus 5y minus 3 equals to 0. What's that? Where is x now? Step number 2. There is no x, there is only y. Is this a linear equation in two variable? No. It should have two variables, x and y. and here there is only y. 0 has vanished, गायब हो गया. 0 गायब हो गया, y भी x भी गायब हो गया है. ओके, चलो मूविंग टू नेक्स्ट सम. इट इज सिमिलर. 0.3x plus 0y equals to 0. Look at the question again. 0y means what? 0 into y is 0. Again, same thing has happened. Y has vanished. Y has gone. Only x has remained. Now, only x has remained. Is this linear equation in two variable? No, only one variable is there. So, no, it is not a linear equation in two variables. Moving to next question. 4 upon x plus 5 upon y equals to 10. Yes, it is a linear equation in two variables because x is there, y is also there. So, two variables are there. What is the highest index? Yes, square नहीं है, cube नहीं है, कुछ भी नहीं है. Yes, it is a linear equation in two variables. Now last sum. What is your last sum? 4xy minus 5y minus equals to 0. Now look at the question properly. It is 4xy. If x and y are together, it's not a linear equation. Okay? They should be separate. Then only they are linear equations. So, this question is not a linear equation in two variables because x and y are bound together. They should be separate. I hope page number 1 is clear. Yes, no, बस इतना ही है. I repeat the rules again. Rule number 1, it should have two variables, that is x and y. And rule number 2 is highest index should be 1. They should not be square. They should not be cube. Nothing. That's not a linear equation. And one more rule we got in last sum. X, y term should not be attached. X into y नहीं होना चाहिए. Okay? Yes. In this case, this is not a linear equation. We have done all the sums on page number 1. Now moving over to 1.1. These are the solutions in front of you. Be ready with everything. Pen, paper, dimag, and what? Scale and all. Ready? Okay. Yes. Can you see notebook? This was my first equation, first part. Now I'm solving second part in front of you. Let me adjust the camera. Yes. I think it is clear now. See what is the first question. 5x plus 3y equals to 9 and 2x minus 3y equals to 12. Whenever they give this, in this case, this is 1.1. In this case, write down simultaneous equation number 1 and number 2. Okay, this is number 1 and number 2. Always write in a Roman letter, Roman numbers. Fine. Now you have to check whether these numbers are equal or not. Yes, they are equal. Then check these signs are opposite or not. Yes, they are opposite. So what to do? Just add. So you have to write here addition step or adding equation 1 and 2. Whenever opposite signs are there, it gets cancelled. Now 5 plus 2, 7x and 12 plus 9, that is 21. Next day, x equals to 21. This 7 will come down divided by 7. X equals to 3. box it so that paper checker can easily check it. Okay, now whenever you get this value, you have to substitute this value in any equation, either equation 1 or you can say equation 2. I'm taking equation 1. 5x plus 3y equals to 9. Now put x equals to 3 in this equation. See what I am doing, 5x, 5 into x means it is 3 plus 3y equals to 9. What I have done, instead of x I have taken 3. Now 5 into 3, that is 15 plus 3y equals to 9. See, 15 will go there. So sign of 15 will negative. 3y equals to 9 minus 15. Why minus 15? Place badla, तो sign badla. So the place has changed. तो sign भी बदला, negative हो गया. Next, this is minus 6. Minus 6 divided by 3. 3 ones are 3, 3 twos are, it is minus 2. So I got two values. Make a box so that you can attract the attention of your paper checker examiner. Fine? 3 and minus 2 is the answer. 3 and minus 2 is your answer. These are 2 marks question. This cannot be 1 mark question because they want two values, x as well as y. Fine, you can take a screenshot if you want. I'm proceeding further. Question number 2. Next part. 3a plus 5b equals to 26. A plus 5b equals to 22. Whenever they give any equation, you have to give Roman 1 and Roman 2. These are the numbers of the equation. Now what to do? See, step number 1. Check whether these numbers are equal. Yes, they are equal. Now check whether signs are opposite. No, signs are equal. Then what to do? I have to subtract. I have to change the signs. Okay, so what will be my statement? Subtraction. Or you can write a statement, subtract equation 2 from 1. Now after subtraction, this always cancels. Now nothing means there is 1. 3 minus 1, that is 2a, equals to 26 minus 22, that is 4. What is your a? 4 divided by 2, that is 2. Right? A equals to 2. So I got value as a equals to 2. Now what to do? Substitute. 3a plus 5b equals to 26. Substitute here. I'm writing here put. Put a equals to 2. Put a equals to 2. Now, instead of a, I will put 2 plus 5b equals to 26. 3 2s are 6. 5b, 26. Correct? 5b equals to 26 minus 6. Q minus 6. Place badla, तो sign badla. So 6 has interchanged the place. So sign badla 6 का. तो 5b equals to 20. b equals to 20 upon 5. Right? So that is nothing but 5 4s are 20. So I got two values, a equals to 2 and b equals to 4. Done. I hope it is clear up to this. No doubt, na? Yeah, it is very easy. Page 1 was easiest one because we just have to classify which type, whether it is a linear equation or not, only this much. And in second part, I've just taken 1-2 examples. in the next video I will continue with it, because slightly some new part is there, that cross multiplication. We have done this in standard 9th. Now we are repeating this in standard 10th also. Okay, no doubt now? Very good. If you have any doubt, you can comment in WhatsApp. Fine? Chalo. By that time, mask up and like me, subscribe me, share me. Take care. Bye-bye.